Hi viewers, welcome to Viewers Infotech. In this video, I will show how to install the MySQL 8 in Windows 10. And these steps is common for all Windows versions like Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. So after installation successfully, I will show how to install the MySQL Yoke Workbench. So let's start our video. Now open your favorite browser. I want to open Firefox. Now type Google. Here you need to type MySQL download. Now click on enter. Now you need to choose post link. Now click on post link. Now scroll down. Now you need to click on this link, MySQL Community GPL Downloads. Now click on this one. Here you have multiple versions, but we want to choose MySQL installer for Windows. Now click on this link. Here we have two types of installers. One is MySQL installer community and second one is MySQL installer web community. Now we need to download this link. Now click on download. Now click on this link. No thanks, just start my download. Now click on save file. Now go to your download section, or else here you can click downloads. Just a moment, it will take couple of seconds to download the MySQL. Based on your internet speed, it will download it. Now go to your file location. MySQL is downloaded successfully. Now right click on your file. Then choose install. Now close all windows. It will take couple of seconds to load the MySQL. Now you may get one pop-up. Click on yes. Just a moment, it will take couple of seconds. If you got any pop-ups, click on yes. Now observe here we have different types of options like developer default and server only, client only and full and custom. If you are working on developer, you need to choose first option. And if you want to work on server, you need to choose second option. And this is client. Suppose if you want to install complete MySQL, you need to choose this option. And you can choose custom installation. So now I want to choose first option. So now click on first option, then choose next. Now here we have two options like MySQL for Visual Studio and connector for Python. So I don't want to these options because I am working on Java. So now click on next. Here we have one warning like click on yes. Now you need to execute these all installations. Now click on execute. It will take couple of seconds to install these all installations. Now click on next. Now click on next. So this is the default port number of MySQL server. What is the port number? 3306. So we need not to change this one. So now simply click on next. Now click on next. Now it is asking MySQL root password. Now I want to enter the password. The password is root and password is root. Here you can add the new user. So I don't want to add any user. So I want to use the default user root. So now click on next. So this is the MySQL server name, MySQL 80. So I don't want to change anything. So now click on next. So now click on execute. Just a moment, it will take a couple of seconds to apply the configurations. Now click on finish. Now click on next. Now click on finish. Now click on next. Now you need to enter the password. Click on check. Now click on next. Now click on execute. Now click on finish. So now click on next. Now after click on finish, it is asking to start the MySQL workbench and MySQL cell. So now click on finish. MySQL cell is open. Let's minimize this window. Now observe here, MySQL workbench also open. Now click on MySQL connection here. It will connected. Now you need to enter the password. At installation time, I am giving the password root. So the user ID is root. So the password is root. Now click on save password and click on OK. It will connecting. So our MySQL default workbench is open. So this is default workbench. Here you can create database and tables. Here you can create a database like any name. Here you can create tables like that you can create. So let's close this window. Now close this window. Now type MySQL command line client. Now connect root. So it is connected. So our MySQL is installed successfully. Now close this CMD. Now I want to show how to install the MySQL Yog workbench. So open your browser. Now type MySQL Yog free download. Hit enter. Now you can choose post link. Click on this link. Now you can click free download. Close this pop-up. Now click on save. Go to your download section. It is downloaded. Go to your download location. MySQL Yog is downloaded. So double click this one. If you may got any pop-up, click on yes. Now minimize this window. Now click on OK. Now click on next. Click on accept the terms and conditions. Then click on next and click on next. Here you need to select the path. So I want to install the MySQL Yog community in B drive. So if we may got C drive, click on install. Click on next and click on finish. So it will open MySQL Yog community. Even you can use default workbench. So this is the MySQL Yog community. So now I want to create a one database. Click on database and create database. So the database name is student. So now click on create. So your database is created. Now I want to create a table inside student. So now click on database and create table. Here you need to enter the table name like student tab. Tab means table. Okay, so inside I want to create the student tab. Double click here, enter student ID. The type is int and this is the primary key. Then I want to create one more variable, std name, student name. This is varchar. The length is 20. This is 10. I want to add one more variable, student fee. This is double. So now click on save. So table is created. Now we want to create one more table. So I don't want to create any table. So click on no. Now close this tab. Close this tab. So this is the table is created. Now I want to fetch the student tab records. So what is the query? Select star from what is the table? std tab and semicolon. So select this query. Now try to execute this query. Execute query. Even you can use shortcut F9. So we don't have any records, right? So now I want to insert the record in std tab. How to insert? Insert into std tab into values 1 comma Shiva comma 5000 semicolon and select this query and click on execute. So one query is executed successfully. So now select this query and click on this button. So one data is inserted successfully. So our MySQL working is fine. So now close this window. Click on continue. So in this video I am install MySQL Server 8. Along with I am install MySQL Yoke Community. Even you can use default workbench. So I want to like MySQL Yoke Community. So if you are watching this video at first time, please like and subscribe and don't forget to share your friends. Thank you.